Hello, today we are going to solve Leetcode group anagrams. Basically, we've been given a list of strings and we are asked to group them into sections of common anagrams, right? If these are group anagrams together, right? This example gave us an empty list, so we just return an empty list inside a list, an empty string in a list inside a list, right? And then we're given one word in here, and then we return that inside the list. The biggest one we have here is we have eat. So let's make sure we have eat here. We have tea. We have time. Eight. Nuts and bat, right? And for an anagram, basically if we have AET and TEA anagram, we have one A, we have one E, and then we have one T. We have one T, we have one E, and then we have one A. Basically, they all have to be of the same length, and then each must occur, but also they have to be of the same length, right? But what we can see that since they are all of the same number, all the words can be arranged in the same order, right? So AET is basically equal to TEA, which is all equal to what if we sort it in the same order, it will be AET, right? So basically that's what we're going to do. For each word, we are going to sort it in an ascending order and set it as a dictionary key and add those words that are anagram to that sorted array, right? So for example, we have EAT, eat. Eat is AET. So we create a key for it, and then we have a value of list that is EAT, right? TEA is when sorted becomes AET. So it is an anagram, so we add T to it. Now we have tan, which will be A and T. So we create a key for ant and then add tan. Now we have another ATE, which is the same as this one, so we add that here. Then we have nut, which is ANT, so we add nuts here. And then we have bat, which is ABT, and then we add ABT, right? At the end we are done. So we just return the lists, which are the values, right? Because we are going to be sorting each and every word, with like sorting will be n log n. N log n, and then times, let's say k, that will be the length of the lists, right? And then the space will be n times k, right? So this is how we are going to solve it. Basically create a dictionary and store everything inside and then return the value. Let's go see how we're going to get this done. So let's create our dictionary called results, which is going to be a default dictionary list, and then for each word in strs, sort word, right? We sort it, it will be a string, it will be an array, so we join it after sorting, and then we have sorted word. Okay, so if sorted is sort word in results, then results for sort word dot append word. Else we create a new key, right? So it's going to be results, create a new key that is hard sorted word. Just have to just change it. Sorted word dot append word. After that, this is just us putting everything into the dictionary. We return the dictionary values. All right, so this is how you solve group anagrams. If I didn't miss anything, yes, I sorted, I changed it. All right, so this is how you solve group anagrams. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one.